Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nupur and today I'm going to show you some of my new plants. So this is fenugreek that you call methi, and I have grown it from the normal methi seeds available in your kitchen. This is normal desi tomato seeds that are easily available in our kitchen. This one is Roma tomato. If you are fond of tomatoes, you will definitely love growing varieties of it. Desi tomato, plum tomato, cherry tomato, black cream, and there are plenty of others as well. This is my small dhania plantation. These are some of the capsicum plants, and these are onion seedlings that I have to be transplanting in next few days. And this is African marigold that I have recently sown 4 days back. These are corn seeds that I have sown 3 days back, and you can see the sprouting. And you will be amazed to know that these are normal corns that are available for popcorn making. And this one is a morning glory flower. This I have planted for my mother since she is fond of flowers. So I hope she will like and love it. And here we have tinda. This I need to hide it from my brother since he don't like tinda at all, and this is a tinda plant. I need to change the container as soon as I upload this video on YouTube, so I can save this plant from Bhaiya. And these are some hydroponically grown methi seeds. This is Zira. Here you can see it's germinating. This is 7 days old mustard seeds, and you can see the greenery. It will take at least 25 to 30 more days to be properly grown and ready to be harvested. These are also normal rye and mustard seeds. Both I have mixed both of them from the kitchen. And this one is the red radish that I have recently transplanted, and I have to transplant it again to some place so that I can have a bigger size red radish. And this one is beetroot. One I have transplanted in this grow bag. And these are some onions that I have planted for leaves, the onion leaves in bottle container. I'll make a video for you separately to show how to grow onion in the container. This is a kind of succulent, and I have recently transplanted it so I can have a small leaved succulent variety as well. These are some of the scarlet marigold plant that I have tried to grow from the branch, and this one is the aloe vera upside down. So this is regular brown mustard that we call rye. This is Chinese cabbage that we use in salads. Sown it 2 days back, and I can see the results. See, I hope you can check out these seedlings that are coming out from the cocoa peat. I will show you how beautiful its seeds are at the end of the video. And this is a strawberry sown 2 days back. Although strawberry is a temperate fruit, still there are some varieties that you can grow in subtropicals. This is sunflower microgreen I have purchased from the affordable organic store and planted yesterday only. This was all for today, friends. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and keep me updated about your queries. Bye bye and have a happy planting.